Ollie's debut, everybody. A little round of applause. Who says? Who says what counts for art? Who says working more is better? Who says awards are good? Who says awards are bad? You're too old to start a career. Who says you're too young to know better? Who says creative people are disorganized? Accountants are boring. Who says what's good? Who says what's bad? Who says what the rules are? Who is this who? This is the Make Happen method. So, if you're caught up in these who says or shoulds, then someone external is driving your bus. Someone from what we call the department of clipboards. You know, one of those pesky box tickers peering over your shoulder, judging your every move. So who from the department of clipboards is currently driving your bus? Is it Ms. Pernickety from the Department of Online Perfection, who says you must have a website before you start? Or perhaps Mr. Crosstees from the Department of Social Media Mastery, who says without Instagram you cannot succeed? Or is it Mr. Nosebest from the Department of Age Control, who says you need to be so-and-so years old or so-and-so years younger? So let's be clear. The reason that you're caught up in all these shoulds and who says is because of the terror of failure.
Failure is a fundamental part of success. If you want to guarantee not succeeding, then avoid failure by taking absolutely no risks and have nobody ever engage with your endeavours. Try it and see. Oh, wait, many of you already are. What if you figured out ways to fail more often? Rename them experiments if you like, but the more you can orientate yourself towards the acceptance of failure, paradoxically, the more likely you are to experience successes.
Have you noticed I should is usually someone else's opinion on how to do something, and how rarely these shoulds actually turn into action? So let's move away from these external prescriptions, the shoulds, and move towards internal prescriptions, the what I want. I don't know how many times I have to tell you folks, there is no right way. These shoulds are doing nothing for you. So go and tell your particular department of clipboards to stick it and go and make a mess of things. But there is one right way to subscribe.
Let's just sit one time.
Yeah.
Just
Ollie's top. Yeah.
This is my,
Working with amateurs.
Alright.
Yeah, it's great. I think it was brilliant. I think you were really good. I mean,
Actually, I'm going to take over from now on.